Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we're bumping into the 50-day exponential here. Bulls have had a good night on the Globex. They took it up pretty good. We did, from last Thursday, Friday, and Monday, we bumped around the 50-day exponential that couldn't close above it. The bears do not want to allow a close above that today. That's going to be important. Ideally, the bears close below the 50. They close back below the daily mid-band, the 20-day simple there, which is the green line, and take out the 9-day for good measure and close it somewhere around there. Now, they haven't been able to figure out the 100-day exponential. Tuesday, Wednesday was about testing that, and we're decidedly above it now. But one step at a time, just don't lose the red line or close above it, because if you do that, then we're back into dealing with those matching 4407s. Then you've got the ultimate high, 44.21 half. So hourly chart, I drew this box yesterday. We were really trapped inside of it. It got pretty whippy. The top end of it got rejected again late in the day. You can see the bulls have broken out of it. They're above monthly pivot 95. They're headed for 4,400. They're going to have to deal with 44.07. We're flat right now. I said to everybody, we had a really good day in the room yesterday, and we're having a really good week. But it just got a little bit whippy there at the end, and I said, look, there are some moves that are going to take too many trades to find, and this thing will probably break out or break down. It'll probably happen during the night, and when it does, we're not going to chase it. So one of the things about being a successful trader over an extended period of time is saying to yourself, I do not have to be in every inch of the market every day. I need to hit my goals and hit my numbers and do the stuff that sets up. I wasn't around last night, and that's not to make excuses. That's just to drive home the point that a lot of people out there, beat themselves up because they're not in every single inch of every single tape all the time forever. And then then FOMO creeps in, and it affects future decision making. Look, this move didn't set up well for me. It didn't set up well for my life because I was going to be running around last night doing all kinds of shit. So, and you walk in this morning and you're like, okay, well, 84, I'm not messing with that. They take it to 96, they can have it. The takeaway is, instead of getting FOMO like a lot of traders do, the takeaway is, hey, there's still a ton of vol. There's a ton of vol. This is great. It's not some dead Globex, and we'll come in and we'll hit our numbers again today, and we'll move on to tomorrow. But I can't get upset, about missing a move when, we've done 31, 27, and I don't even know what, yesterday, 10. It was about 26, 29. It was over 30 handles yesterday. So, but I see so many people out there get so upset because they miss a move. There's always another bus, and it's coming right around the corner. But if you are too busy looking for the bus that's already gone down the street, around the corner, and up the block, then you're going to miss the bus that's coming up right behind you, and you're going to miss that one too, or you're going to chase that bus, or worse, you're going to turn around and it's going to run you over. Stay focused. Accept the fact that you're not going to be in every single move, and exercise some perspective and some patience. Okay? I'm going to touch on that and a lot of other points next week. We got the paid subscriber Q&A the 19th in the chat room at noon, in the free private Facebook group, which everybody is welcome to join, and I encourage you to join. We're going to do a live training Thursday, October 21st at noon. And I really want to dive into some trader psychology. I want to dive into some trader psychology, and I want to talk about execution and setups. Okay, so where are we today? Look, it's on the bulls now. They've potentially taken control of this tape. They have to deal with 44.07 from Friday and Monday, and they have to deal with 21.5. They certainly now, after this display, they have got to close above the monthly pivot. I mean, I can make the argument that they need to close. Well, you know what? I'm not going to let them off that easy. They have got to close above the 50-day exponential, which is 43.85. Period. If they don't, it's just going to look like one of these. So they got to close above the red line. If they do that, they can take some other stuff out. Okay. 5-minute chart. Let's talk about it. So look, off we go. You had a little consolidation here on the 5, and they're breaking up out of it. Volume weighted average price 78.5, locked up there with monthly pivot. The pre-FOMC price, the 86, that's locked up with our proprietary moving average, 5-minute mid-band 88 and change. I'll be very interested to see what happens when you get to the roundy and what happens when you get to jobless claims in about 17 minutes. So it's 8:13 Eastern time on Wednesday as I'm doing this. So we'll see. Look, it's a powerful move. It's a powerful move, and it's ultimately because they've broken out of that box. So I'll be curious to see what the bulls are going to do with it. I will be getting involved after 9:30 most likely. We got into a nice little one yesterday morning in Globex and another nice one after the open, but I'm not sure I'm going to do that today. We'll see how it goes. But what I'm not going to do is get all emotional and chase 43.97, because somebody's going to be the bag holder on this thing. It's going to need to come in. It'll set up correctly. Wait for it to set up correctly. Don't have FOMO. You can't trade every inch of the tape. Stop trying to be perfect, and stop trying to do that and start focusing on the real stuff, which is hitting your goals and hitting your numbers every day and taking good setups when they set up well for you. All right. Have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Join that private Facebook group. Get in there. A lot of good stuff in there. We'll do the live training. There's other live trainings in there that have been recorded that you can watch. And most importantly, come join the chat room. Come join the chat room. When we're giving you worst entries, and those worst entries where you need to be in at that number or better are running 10, 20, 30 handles, it just gives you a line in the sand that says, okay, this is where I need to be on this setup for Mike. And it's helping people tremendously. All right. Take care. Be well. Talk to you soon.